in Ulun Danu Beratan, which is in Bedugul. We had to drive around an hour from where we were staying in Ubud to get here. My butt is numb from the driving. It's also pretty hot. Still waiting for Sheena and Yari there. So we'll check it out. What's inside? Thank you. So I actually brought my drone here, but it's forbidden to use the drone. So it's again grounded. My drone is always grounded. So check it out. So we're gonna try to ride this paddle boat so that we can get a better view of that water temple there. So we are in
Gitgit Waterfall.
Gitgit Waterfalls.
This is our
guide.
Gitgit. This is our my village, the name of the Gitgit. This is have our my village. They have the story.
Yeah.
We have the story. The name of the Gitgit. There is a meaning that get to Singaraja. That is the north to Bali. That is called like Singaraja.
Yeah.
Singaraja. That is the name of the town. Yeah, the name of the town. This is the Singaraja. This is first of the capital Bali. Before was to the Denpasar. The Singaraja. That's capital. And the Singaraja. Singaraja, this meaning that's Lion King.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the name of the town. That's our my village. Name of the Gitgit, there's a meaning that get to Singaraja, that's meaning to the Gitgit.
Okay.
And then the waterfall, different place, the waterfall, we are different the name. We have the Balinese name of the twin waterfall. This is the Campuhan.
This is Campuhan.
Campuhan is meaning that's mixing.
Okay.
Mixed waterfall, mixing the waterfall. And then other, the Makalangan waterfall. Makalangan is meaning that single and clear. That's Makalangan. Yeah,
So that's another name for Gitgit.
Yeah, no, not other name of Gitgit. The real the name of the waterfall.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our my village of the Gitgit.
There is Gitgit Waterfalls. Compared to Tiganungan yesterday, which is very brown, Gitgit is actually really clear, and as our guide was explaining, Gitgit is from a natural spring and does not rely on the mountains, the water from the mountains. That's why even if it rains, the water is still clear. So I'm gonna fly my drone. The biggest waterfall in Gitgit. As the guide said, this is a twin or a bridge falls. Both falls come from different river sources. Look at that. So that was a great swing. If you want to experience that, you actually need a guide, because only the guides hold the key to that swing. They actually do that to protect the tourists, because the swing to the falls would be dangerous if you release the swing at the wrong time. You may end up floating in the river. What? Yeah, as he said, not everybody can do the swing. You need to get a guide.
later.
1, 2, 3, dagan, dagan, Jud, dagan. You ready? 1, 2, 3, run. So we're driving all the way going home from Bedugul, and it drizzled, so we had to stop at the nearest eatery that we can stop at. So we're not eating lunch, cheap lunch, only 15,000 rupiahs. What time is it? 2? It's 2 p.m. So it's a late lunch. And surprisingly, we have a view of the rice terraces here. There.
The next day.
So it's day 4 in Bali, and we are checking out of our accommodation in Ubud, and we're moving to Kuta. It's gonna be beach days all coming 6-7 days. So let's go.